Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for an oyster mushroom starter. The ingredients are oyster mushroom, white button mushroom, spaghetti. You can also use linguine or any other similar pasta, shallots, celery, olive oil, thyme, oregano, coarse salt, bay leaf, ginger, garlic, and black pepper. Add olive oil and butter in your frying pan over medium heat and fry your shallots for about 2 minutes. Then add your white button mushroom and move all of this to the side to create space for your oyster mushroom, because you want your oyster mushroom to be flat on your frying pan so that it can fry nicely. You might want to lower the heat so that the shallot doesn't burn, and keep frying. You're gonna fry for a while because mushrooms have a water content to them, and the oyster mushroom has more water than the other. So just fry until it's brown and turn them over to fry both sides. They're looking nice and brown, almost ready. Add the thinly chopped celery into the open spaces in your frying pan. You're just making sure that the celery is fried as well, rather than just sitting on top of mushroom and releasing more water onto the fried mushroom. You do realize that all my veg, including the shallot, they're finely chopped. This is because the star of the meal is the mushroom. I'm gonna remove a few of the oyster mushrooms before I add spaghetti to the meal. This is just so that I can showcase this as a starter. This is the mushroom that I removed to prepare the starter, and in the pan I continue to cook the meal. I'm just showcasing how versatile this oyster mushroom is. Now I'm mixing everything that is left in the pot to prepare it to be tossed with the pasta. Now we're tossing the pasta with everything. I could have been tossing more vigorously and the pasta would allow me, because it's not that well cooked. I'm only adding my bay leaf now because it's fresh and therefore very strong in flavor. Let's just keep tossing gently and nicely. Now it's time to add the chopped parsley and toss some more. It's easier to toss with something thin. I'm using my salad tongs there, wooden. And you'll understand why I'm tossing gently when you see how I prepare the starter just now. I grated the 2 types of mushroom for the mushroom sauce. Please check in this channel for my recipe of the mushroom sauce. To the sun-dried tomato, I added a little bit of water, seasoning, as well as peach chutney, and microwave just for a short time. I'm rolling the pasta around the stem of the oyster mushroom to prepare our starter. Then I lay it in a small bowl, all the way to the brim of the bowl. Adding my homemade mushroom sauce, sun-dried tomatoes, and a sprinkle of parsley. There we are. Bon appetit, viewers. Thank you for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe.